I just rebuilt this wrecked street bike, and now we're gonna take it on a road trip to Mount Rainier. Asking for a friend, does this make me a real YouTuber? As you can tell, this bike looked pretty bad prior to the rebuild, and I'd argue that she still might be a 10-footer. However, it looks a lot better than it did. Got it. And if you haven't seen the video where we fully rebuild this theft-recovered, crash at 145-mile-an-hour bike, I mean, are you even subscribed? Probably not, honestly. You should be. Don't you go ahead and click away right now, though. No, no, no. But if you were to click away after you've watched this epic video, the link's right here. Back to the road trip. So here we are putting the miles on the Louboutins, doing some boring highway riding, you know, nothing like it. Wind in your face, bugs in your teeth. Oh, and it's 105 degrees outside, so sweat in places you really shouldn't be sweating.
Nice.
Wait, that's kind of weird. I'm watching you, watching me, watching you ride. That's kind of sus. Oh, look at that. It's a burger joint. This is a pretty famous place called Miners. It's in Yakima, Washington. It's a pretty old burger joint. They've been supposedly serving epic burgers their whole life. Well, I'm here to say it was pretty awesome. Gas brake! Just a friendly PSA, make sure to go ahead and buy that bike. YOLO, you only live once, right? Here we are cooking up scenic Highway 12. Man, the views on this section of the road. Oh man, I love this. Ooh, we got some epic views going on right now. White Pass. This is me trying to awkwardly vlog in front of my friends. I'm gonna have to start vlogging in front of my friends more because this was just bad. We just arrived at our campsite. Check it out. It is stunning. This is where we're going to be spending the night. Bikes did well. We're almost at about 200 miles into our trip. Look at how steep this is, guys. It's like straight up all the way down to the river. Two dudes in a river. First person to leave the cold water has to cook dinner. This is worse than an ice bath. Bro, honestly, I'm good cooking dinner.
I'm kind of going numb, actually.
Yeah, I'm good now. I'm good now. Woo! Oh, that'll wake you up.
Not sleepy no more.
No, I'm awake. No coffee needed. Okay, so that was pretty cold.
Got the Catadime Hiker Pro. Getting us some fresh, clean water.
Heading back up. Maybe now we head up to Mount Rainier.
By worth, I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third.
We've made it to beautiful Mount Rainier. This has been a goal of mine since I was a little kid. So to be able to take my best friend up here on two awesome bikes and just rip the canyons has been really awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Bro, don't even try to deny it. This is you glued to the screen right now. Guys, that ride was so freaking awesome. I mean, just the views on views. Colby, how was it?
It was worth it.
That was good.
Very much worth it.
We're about 220 miles into the day. Very tired, but we earned it. We're gonna cut some firewood over here, make a roaring fire, and have an epic night. Feeling primal. Little flints and fire steel. Wow, geez, well, let's start the fire. Forest on fire. Oh god, we are starting a forest fire. Lost a marshmallow, couldn't find it. Something happened. I found it. Look at this dude. Oh my god. What do? Do you like burn it in the fire? Do you start your boot on fire? Oh, yes. Two-man operation.
I need you to get the other half of the cracker.
Oh my god.
The one on the one.
This one?
Yep. And then
boop.
And
Oh.
suck.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Good morning. Just made myself a wonderful cup of coffee. Honestly, the highlight of these trips is just making a cup of coffee in some remote place. I used my French press, boiled some water, got my new camping set. Honestly, it was really a vibe. There's our camp for the night. Slept pretty comfortably. But most importantly, the bikes are still here, so we don't have to walk 220 miles home. Colby, he didn't lose the bet, but he's making breakfast this morning because I made dinner last night. He wants me to tell you that I did lose the bet. I got out of the water early, but it is what it is. We're gonna make some hash browns, some eggs. The rest of the pepper just fell down there, so we're gonna donate that to the worthy cause. Colby, you want a marshmallow?
Hold up. Wait a minute.
All in all, this was a really awesome trip. Only had one flat tire, and we made it home safely. So you're not subscribed? What do you want me to do? Brother, tell me, please. Boy, oh boy, I hope we make it to the next rest stop after this meal. Oh boy.